wannabe beauty gurus and lovelies on the Wannabe a Beauty Guru Forum. This is Eve, and I am so stoked because guess what? Arrived today. Fast. I think this one is the order from Glamderma. Not sure, but I did use the code Jessica10. And hold on a second. You guys, I got to keep reaching out of the frame, so forgive me. And this is the one from AceCosm. Yes, anti-aging at its finest, and we're going for it. And now bear with me while I open these packages. And yes, I'm using a knife, so don't come too closely. You could lose a limb. Wouldn't be pretty. Wouldn't be nice. And I'm nice. Just kidding. You guys know me. I like to kid. Well, you don't know me, but you will know me, and you'll realize that I kid a lot, and I use humor a lot. Why? Because you gotta use humor. Humor is the only way to survive on this earth, because we are surrounded by people that have no sense of humor, right? Okay, getting this box open. See, I wish I could, you guys, I wish I had a setup that would permit me to, to set the thing up, and I could, do this appropriately. But I can't, because I just can't. Wow! I paid a lot of money for this. No, that's not it. Still kidding. And glad you all don't have knives. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Because, actually, guys, my Glamderma order is not here yet. The first one I showed you was a package from a company we shall not name, because, well, they suck. And I placed this order before Jessica made her announcement concerning the company that shall remain unnamed. And I got my meso. I think these are 5-point crystal head needles. Really don't want to do meso with the single needle style. I don't know though. These look dastardly, but I got those, and I got my Emmy Capture Time. I got a ton of Miracle H and some Miracle products in the AceCosm order, but this is a product that I saw. I think it was Bikini Iron Girl. Yeah, she's really pretty, really tough chick. Yeah, I decided I've got to try. I think I'm gonna do my Meso Virgin Voyage using this product first, because, well, I don't know. I think I need to get used to it. And I did see the final effects of Emmy Capture Time on that person, and the results were, oh my God. Yeah, girls, this is the Share Black Magic stuff right here. Yeah. To those of you who said I'm doing some kind of Share Black Magic because I'm 67 and I look like this, which, you guys, look, this is not good. I got a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, Share Black Magic coming. One box down. Here we go. Second box. Now with my knife. Okay. Who do I gotta kill? Guys, I lost my knife. How can I do this? Hold on. I gotta get another knife. Yeah, and I can't edit this. So please, you guys, bear with me. This is a really, yeah, we ain't playing with the second box, okay? All right, here we go. This has got to be, well, watch this one be from Glamderma, and this one's got to be AceCosm. And like I said, use code, whatever vendor you use only the vendors that Jessica Cameron endorses, and use Jessica 10 code at checkout. Because if you don't, you're kind of silly. And you don't want to be silly. Oh, more red ginseng masks. So, I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is from AceCosm. I I got these from another vendor who sold me a machine. Was it my husband? I don't know. You guys, I order so much stuff, I can't actually tell you. And if I logged everything, that's all I'd be doing all day, is logging down what did I buy, what protocol or session for whatever. I'm just excited. I'm excited. So I've got a bunch of goodies, a bunch of masks. Pretty soon I'm going to order the one mask that Jennifer, I don't know what's in here, guys. This is part of it. This is part of it. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see down there. Well, I'll just show you one by one. This is Velatox. Read quite a bit about it on the website. This seems to be, magic. This might be some sheer black magic going on there. Velatox. So that's that's that. This is the Miracle. Wow, I thought I was only getting single bottles. This is the Miracle Touch-Up. Can you see that, girls? Looks like at first I got to do Miracle before I can do a touch-up, right? But I'm trying to open this. I don't want little glass vials falling all over the place and breaking everywhere. I don't know. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Oh, here we go. There are... I don't know, guys. Makes no sense to me. Appears to be something's missing. Supposed to be something in there, it looks like. But it's just flat gone. I don't think I had to pull this out either. Okay. It's a learning curve. I'm a newbie. I've never done meso in my life. Never. And I think that's probably the number one thing that almost everybody should be doing, because in my opinion, it seems to yield the most natural and most quick anti-aging results, and it's one of the least invasive, at least in my opinion, least invasive. Yeah, this seems to me that there's a bottle missing. So I don't know if I should take a picture or not. I don't know. Is there something missing? You guys tell me. Let me know. Is something missing? Because I just opened it. I'm opening it with you guys. Did not open these boxes prior to this video. And then this is lip erase. Everybody's got to have this. I'm going to be dissolving me some migrated filler. A little bit. I'm going to be honest, guys. A lot of the massage I've been doing lately, like really vigorous massage, has been removing a lot of the migrated filler that I've had for years. This is a mystery also. I have no idea. I got an idea. I think this is the Tox in here. I ordered some Tox. Let me see. Oh gosh. This is dastardly. Don't do this at home. Okay? Don't do this at home. Don't be stupid like me, because I'm real stupid. It's stuff I do. And yeah, I've got a lot of stitches, a lot of scars, most of my bruises. Yep, still got some bruises. Yep, that's from Dr. L. You guys know who I'm talking about. Hold on. I can't get this open, girls. I need help. I need an instructor to teach me how to open a package. Who'd have thunk it? Yeah, I'm going to be riding my bicycle later. I live on a farm. It's got horses.